Hi and hola para amigos. In this video series, I present a useful and evidence-based studying tip for medical students in each video. Here is the third video. In this video, the tip that I will present is not known by any medical students since the article of the tip has been accepted just a few days ago and hasn't been published yet in an issue of the journal. So it would be better for you to stick around until the end. These pretty flamingos are ready to present the useful studying tip. But first, the intro. Researchers divided the students into 4 groups. The first group watched a 30 minutes long video just once. The video contains a lecture that explains the role of protein synthesis inhibition on memory reconsolidation. The second group watched the same video for 2 times. These 2 groups were control groups. The students in the third group watched the same video, but they did one extra activity. They explained what they understand from the video on their own by thinking aloud. They watched the video and they provided self-explanation individually. When it comes to the fourth group, the students watched the same video, but they paused the video in every 6 minutes and they explained what they understand to another student. In other words, the video paused in each 6 minutes of the video and the 2 students explained that part each other. The explanation could be called as dyadic explanation, since 2 students involved in the explanation process. As a summary, the first group watched the video once, the second group watched twice, and these were control groups. While the third group watched and explained it on their own, the fourth group explained it dyadically, 2 students to each other. The mean time that each group spent were 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 43 minutes, and 42 minutes, respectively. All of the students sat for the identical exam 3 times, before the intervention, right after the intervention, and 1 week later. These exams could be considered as a pre-test and 2 post-tests. So, which group performed better? Do you have any opinion? Let's dive into the results. First of all of the groups' scores significantly improved after the intervention. There was significant difference between the pre-test and the post-tests. It's not surprising though. The more important result showed that the participants who engaged in individual self-explanation or dyadic explanations significantly outperformed participants in the first 2 groups in terms of learning and retention. Moreover, the results showed that dyadic explanations, the fourth group, were more effective than individual self-explanations, the third group. Here is the studying tip for you. Find a friend, study a topic or a part of a topic individually, and then explain what you learned from that each other. It's so simple. Even if you could not find a friend to explain, you could explain it at least to yourself on your own. But don't forget that dyadic explanation that includes a friend of yours is better than self-explanation. If this video and the tip are useful for you, consider to like and subscribe to see similar contents like this. You can find the article that I present at the description below. See you and adios para amigos. And also, don't forget these flamingos.